Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back to my study room. This is a quiz on present perfect continuous tense. There are a total of 10 questions in this quiz. You will get 10 seconds for each question. So, let's begin. Question 1. The correct answer is option C. Been. I have been reading the book. Question 2. The correct answer is option A. Since. She has been watching a movie since morning. Question 3. The correct answer is option B. 4. John has been studying for 4 hours. Question 4. The correct answer is option C. Has it been? How long has it been raining? Question 5. The correct answer is option A. Working. She has been working in this bank since July. Question 6. The correct answer is option B. Has. My father has been living in London for 2 months. Question 7. The correct answer is option B. Been playing. Have they been playing since morning? Question 8. The correct answer is option C. Have not been. You have not been waiting here for 2 hours. Question 9. The correct answer is option A. Decorating. I have been decorating my office. Question 10. The correct answer is option C, 3 years. He has been working in this garage for 3 years. What's your score? Write in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.